Hey everybody, welcome to day 32. And as usual, I'm waiting on a woman. It's a little nicer day. It's not raining at the moment, but we still don't have the great views yet. So we decided we're going to come up here to what's called SeaLife Center. SeaLife Center. It's all inside. It's right here at Seward. We actually ate right up the street there. So yeah, we're just gonna do the SeaLife Center and kind of walk around. There's a waterfall over here we're hoping to see, as long as the weather holds out. Easy days, that's the goal. Alright, here we go. We're in. It was, how much was it? 72?
Plus, yeah.
For us, both of us. That's with the military ID, so we're kind of zipping through because they're feeding the sea lions in 2 minutes. So figure we better jump to get that.
Seals, right?
No, I mean, we can get in the back here. Fields.
Alright,
I'm going to be putting
here's
it
what's for
right
dinner.
Here, so if I could just put that ladder in place and then have you guys go back to it as best you can. That'd be great, thank you.
Great idea. Somebody needs a diet.
A little bit, yeah. At least
Okay. Figure I wouldn't get away with it long.
What?
Good job.
Okay, it's not that big. Go for it.
Good water. Great.
Oh. Whoa!
always at the car.
Good, wait.
Their eyes are so crazy.
Target.
Oh gosh. Haley, do you see this? Do you see this, Haley? Tracy. Here, call it. Wow.
He's showing us.
好大呀！太肥了，这只。
That's a big splash.
Whoa, really big one.
Good, back. Good.
就是估计天天喂，你喂得这么肥。哎呦我的天！哎呦我太胖了。我去，巨型
Look at that.
！Oh my god！
Pilot. Water.
这得多大岁数？
Water.
Having a little attitude problem.
Pilot, ignore. Good. Water.
Alright, next up, horn pup.
Well, and some other food.
So the one on the left is Harriet.
Harriet?
Yep. She's actually the oldest bird we have here. She is 29 years old.
Ooh, what is it?
So she's setting a record right now. We actually are not really too sure. 29. She's getting bullied. I don't know who that is.
Ah, okay, coming in.
Harriet.
Well, hello, Harriet. You letting them chase you around? Oh, yeah, I know it's wet.
In the salmon section now.
Oh, that's interesting.
Is that it?
I think it's this tank.
So, my name is Jake. I'm an intern here with our fishing and vertebrate team, and today I will be doing our salmon feeding. So, our 4 tanks kind of represent like the life stages or cycles that a salmon would go through. So, behind all of you is our egg tank, but that is currently empty right now. And so, these guys are the smallest, youngest salmon we have on display. So these guys are a year old. They're what's called fry, and so in the wild they will have hatched from their eggs and emerged from the gravel, and they'll kind of stay in the freshwater where they hatch for up to a year before they then make their way down to the ocean. To your question, so this is a saltwater tank. So these guys are like a little over 2 years old, 2 and 3-ish, and so at this stage they would have made their way back down to the ocean. And so this is a saltwater tank. We also have some starry fauna at the bottom and starfish in here.
If you would like, you are welcome to touch the animals over here. Anything in the next 4 tanks is safe to touch today. If you do want to, we just ask that you use 1 or 2 fingers and that you just don't grab anybody or pick anybody up.
Okay, so the spot shrimp, so they're cold water? Or?
They are, yeah. All of these animals are actually native to Resurrection Bay, so you could find any of them like literally just right here at the beach in Seward.
Oh, really?
Picture's trying to identify her.
Yep.
I know. She must have like, I guess she's like she knows what's going on.
Here we're old. She said the older ones were down here. This is where the old big ones end up. I might not have videoed it. She said as they get older, they move down here because they still shrimp.
Just look through the.
This is where all the old sea stars go. Not a lot of movement here. This was not advertised. Perfect. Whoa. go, babe.
No?
Well, like most places, they got a bunch of areas for kids to do kid stuff.
Oh, look at the huge ones down there.
Laying down on the job. So everything we had seen with the feeding and that was on the second floor. The first floor is really, so we were up there. First floor is just viewing tanks of the bottom. There you go, Pedro. Good job.
We'll get no.
Back off. She's mine.
Isn't that crazy? It's right by us.
It looks like it have these sea otters.
Is born with a neurological condition. Please only engage in calm activities with them.
Oh.
Petra, what'd you think of the Alaska SeaLife Center?
I think it was very informative. It's a good stop.
It's a good
And
stop.
your fee supports the research and feed the animals,
Yeah.
upkeep everything.
I don't know what the normal fee is, but we paid $36 for it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna guess it's about 40 for without the military discount.
But they
So there
have
you go.
prices online, so.
Yeah, and you might want to get them online because if a bus shows up right before you, like with us, there's few people in front of you. So right outside the SeaLife Center, it's a trailblazer statue right here, and that of course is Resurrection Bay behind us there, or behind the statue. And there's a Iditarod statue right up this way. We're going to go walk. The other statue we wanted to come out and read the sign here, see what it says. So, one statue over there, and this guy, between the two of them, they blazed the trail up to Iditarod County, where as gold was discovered up there. So I'm going to guess that's Hope up in that area. So the winter they blazed the trail up there for people to be able to go back and forth. And the other gentleman that the statue was just of actually delivered mail that route. So yeah, interesting. That's a powerful waterfall right there. This is the Lowell Creek Waterfall. That's the entrance to Seward. Right, those buildings right there. So you could easily just walk over here. But that thing is moving. Down to the dock. See what else.
I'm gonna get us some.
See what's around. Looking on some fish up here.
like tug of war, man. That's a good.
Gotta be perfect.
Look how we did. Look at all those halibut.
I guess these 6 guys are the ones that went out on the boat today and caught all these fish. Coasting.
Hey, hold on, guys.
We're wrapping up day 32
Yes.
here in Seward, Alaska. So today we went to the Alaska SeaLife
Center.
Center. Pretty cool. Got to
Yes.
see the sea lions getting fed,
Yeah.
which was interesting.
There was a big one in there.
Yep.
And then all the different local kind of fish, Alaskan fish, and the sea stars. I've never seen so many, and I didn't know there were so many different kinds. So
Yeah.
that was kind of cool.
We learned a bit today.
We sure did.
Let me turn this up a little bit.
Guess they
There
do a
we
lot
go.
of research and everything there
Yeah.
too. So
So we did
It's pretty cool.
the waterfall right there at the edge of
oh,
Seward.
we did see 2 beluga whales
Two
passing through the bay.
Yeah. And we've seen
While
a
we were
couple
there.
sea lions in the wild
Sure did.
at the harbor where all the charters come in. That was
Mhm.
interesting.
Yep.
So other than that, I mean, the weather hasn't been the greatest. It's gloomy and chilly and rainy and
Yeah. A little
Just-
less motivating to
yeah.
be outside, but
Cleared
I
up a
mean,
little bit today, but not much.
Yeah.
Then it's now it's gray and cold and rainy
Yeah.
again.
because it's evening.
Yeah. Yeah, it's 7:30. It's tough to
So-
tell because
Nothing will change.
nothing. Anyway, so that's the video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah.
We
Mm.
are off trying to do a hike tomorrow, weather depending.
Yes,
so if it's
very.
not pouring rain, we're doing that. So we still have a few things we want to do, but
Yep.
we might have to move pieces around because we don't want to be out
Yeah.
getting drenched.
Our big thing this week is the glacier
Yes,
uh,
we're really looking
cruise
forward to that.
in 2 days.
Yeah.
That's 7.5 hours on a boat going out to Kenai
Kenai, yeah.
National Park, seeing some of the glaciers.
Glaciers. And I guess part of it going out there is going to have some pretty choppy water.
Yeah,
so
could.
potentially.
But the weather's supposed to be just like it's been for the last couple of days, so
Yeah.
we're not. But they're going regardless.
Yeah.
So that'll be fun. And then we got a couple other hikes. We want to go to Whittier one day through the tunnel, and then we'll be heading to Valdez for the last week of us in Alaska. So
Yeah.
yeah, if you like the content, appreciate if you give us a thumbs up and a like and hit the subscribe button. And till tomorrow, take care and be safe.
Bye.